Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Binance from UAE. So depositing money into Binance account from United Arab Emirates can be accomplished through several methods including P2P trading, bank transfers and with your credit or debit card as well. So we are going to understand how you can deposit money in Binance from UAE easily. So I would recommend you to go with the P2P method. So first of all, you need to launch your Binance mobile app and then tap on the more option on the home page. Over here you will see the P2P option, so you need to tap on P2P and then you will be landed on this page. Now here on this page you need to tap on the top right hand corner of the screen first, and you need to select your currency, and you need to just make sure that it is selected as AED. After selecting it, you will see all of the merchants that are actually providing you money, and you will have to just select the one that is chosen by Binance. So here the number one is this person. So once you tap on the buy option, you need to enter the amount in AED, and then you need to tap on the place order in the bottom. Now once you tap on the place order, you will have to just conclude the payment with the help of your bank transfer or the cards, and then once you get the money in your Binance account, you will have to say that you received it successfully, and this way your transaction will be completed. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.